Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Inorganic Chemistry questions for you. Here you have Thallium pentabromide with dianion. You have to find hybridization and shape of it. To find the hybridization, you should know the steric number, which is H equals V plus B minus C whole divided by 2. So the valency is V, thallium valency is 3, and bonded atom is bromine, which is 5, and you have dianion. So if you substitute in the H formula, you have H equals 5. H equals 5 means sp3d, which is trigonal bipyramidal structure. You have H minus B, which is 0, 5 minus 5. So the final structure will be all 5 atoms occupy the 5 corner. So the shape of thallium pentabromide dianion is trigonal bipyramidal structure. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.